Today I am starting conditional identities for standard 10. Conditional identity means some conditions are given and then after that something is given to prove. In this topic, in directly there is no explanation. Whatever is given and whatever is given to prove, based on we will think only. Conditional means some conditions are given, some informations are given, and then it is given to prove this is equal to this. In that topic, only few questions I explain it. After that, the students can solve the remaining exercise. Now the first question is, if sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, prove that cos square theta plus cos 4 theta is equal to 1. Here one thing is, the relation is given between in sine and it is given to prove in terms of cos. It means sine convert into in the form of cos. So now you see here, sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. So sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. This sine square theta should be right side. So 1 minus sine square theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 minus sine square is equal to cos square. Now whatever is given to prove it, cos square plus cos 4. So if we will make it square here, then we will get cos 4. So if you make it square here, then sin square theta is equal to cos 4 theta. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta is equal to cos 4 theta. So cos square theta plus cos 4 theta is equal to 1. Actually in this topic, there is no explanation. I told you earlier, the reason is whatever is given and whatever is given to prove, only according to that we will think. Whatever is given to prove, now we will try to go that side. That part we try to find out. Second question is, tan square alpha is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square beta. Then to prove 2 sin square alpha is equal to 1 plus sin square beta. Just few seconds we will think here. Tan square alpha and here it is given tan square beta. Tan related with sin and cos. So tan square alpha is equal to 1 plus tan square beta. This tan square alpha can be written as sin square alpha by cos square alpha is equal to 1 plus 2 sin square beta by cos square beta. Now here we get the relation between sin square and cos square. But the question is given to prove in terms of sin only. It means both the cos square alpha and cos square beta convert into in the term of sin square. So sin square alpha by cos square alpha can be written as 1 minus sin square alpha plus is equal to 1 plus 2 sin square beta divided by cos square beta can be written as 1 minus sin square beta. Next step, sin square alpha by 1 minus sin square alpha. Here we will take the LCM 1 minus sin square beta. So 1 minus sin square beta plus 2 sin square beta. Sin square alpha by 1 minus sin square alpha is equal to 1 plus sin square beta by 1 minus sin square beta. After that, do the cross multiplication. So sin square alpha into 1 sin square alpha minus sin square alpha into sin square beta is equal to 1 into 1 into sin square beta minus sin square alpha into 1 minus sin square alpha minus sin square alpha sin square beta, that is minus sin square alpha sin square beta. Minus sin square alpha sin square beta minus sin square alpha sin square beta cancel out. Now here left sin square alpha, here left minus sin square alpha. So this minus sin square alpha should LHS. So 2 sin square alpha and here left 1 plus sin square beta. So 1 plus sin square beta and that is given to 2. 2 sin square alpha is equal to 1 plus sin square beta. 2 sin square alpha is equal to 1 plus sin square beta. So actually here the question is given in terms of tan and to prove in terms of sin. So tan convert into in sin and cos first and then after that cos convert into in sin and simplify it. Now the next type of the question is here, if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to m, Then prove that m square minus 1 by m square plus 1 is equal to sine theta. Some values are given. Which values are given? In terms of that, something is given to prove. So now m is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. So sec theta plus tan theta is equal to m. Here we required m square value. So now first we will find out the value of m square. That means squaring both sides. So m square is equal to sec theta plus tan theta whole square. Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Sec square can be written. Now you see here it is given to prove sine theta. It means now we try to go in terms of sine. So sec square is equal to 1 by cos square plus tan square is equal to sine square by cos square plus 2 sec means 2 by cos into tan means sine by cos. Here cos square, cos square, cos square. So cos square is LCM 1 plus sine square theta plus 2 sine theta divided by cos square theta. Now here it is in terms of a square plus b square plus 2ab. In place of a is 1 and in place of b is sine theta. So a plus b whole square, it means 1 plus sine theta whole square divided by cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square. Why here the convert cos square in terms of sine? Because it is given to prove in terms of sine. It means we eliminate cos square. So this cos square can be written as 1 minus sine square. Now 1 plus sine theta whole square means 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta, and here it is in terms of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus sine cancel, it's left 1 plus sine by 1 minus sine. So m is equal to, we will get 1 plus sine by 1 minus sine theta. So value of m now we will get. This value of m substitute in LHS. So LHS is equal to m square minus 1 by m square plus 1. M square, this is the value of m square actually. So m square means 1 plus sine by 1 minus sine, minus 1 is there, and denominator m square means 1 plus sine by 1 minus sine plus 1. Here you simplify, easily you will get the result. 1 minus sine theta is LCM. So 1 plus sine minus 1 plus sine theta by 1 minus sine theta, and denominator again 1 minus sine theta LCM, 1 plus sine plus 1 minus sine theta. Here 1 cancel, here sine theta cancel, and 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta cancel. So sine theta plus sine theta, 2 sine theta, and 1 plus 1, 2, 2 cancel. So now sine theta. So m square minus 1 by m square plus 1 is equal to sine theta, and that is given to proof. So LHS is equal to RHS proof. Now the next type of the question is, if x by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta is equal to 1 and x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1, then prove that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2. Now here it is given to prove x square by a square and y square by b square. Now you see x square by a square, how you will get? If you make it square, this one. If you make it square, then LHS and RHS make the square. So whatever is given, this is equal to this is equal to this, make it square and add both the given information. So here x by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta square plus x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta, their whole square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2. LHS, when we add two different equations, then LHS added with LHS and RHS added with RHS. So making square both the information of LHS and add it. So RHS also add it. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. That is a square, x square by a square sin square theta plus y square by b square cos square theta minus 2ab. So 2 into x by a y by b sin theta cos theta, that is 2xy by ab sin theta cos theta plus again here a square x square by a square cos square theta plus y square by b square sin square theta plus 2xy by ab cos theta sin theta is equal to 2. negative 2xy by AB sin theta cos theta, positive 2xy by AB cos theta sin theta, cancel out. X square by A square sin square theta plus x square by A square cos square theta, write down together. Y square by B square cos sin square, y square by B square sin square plus y square by B square cos square is equal to 2. Here x square by A square take the common. So x square by A square sin square plus cos square inside the bracket. Here y square by b square take common. So inside bracket sin square plus cos square is equal to 2. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So x square by a square into 1, that is x square by a square, plus y square by b square into 1, that is y square by b square is equal to 2, and it is given to prove. Now fifth question. If tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, prove that m square minus n square is equal to 4 root under mn. Actually here the value of m is given and the value of n is given, and proving also given in terms of mn in LHS and in RHS. So both sides substitute the value of m and n and simplify it. If you will get both sides the same result, it means it is proved. So now m square minus n square is equal to, m square means tan theta plus sin theta whole square, minus n square means tan theta minus sin theta whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Sin theta cancel, so tan theta plus tan theta 2 tan theta, and here tan theta cancel, so sin theta plus sin theta 2 sin theta, so 4 tan theta sin theta. This is the value of m square minus n square, that is LHS. Now RHS is 4 root under mn. So 4 root under tan plus sin into tan minus sin. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Here we required this value is equal to this one. So now first this tan square convert into sin square by cos square minus sin square. Sin square, now you see the common. So if you take sin square common, then here remains 1 by cos square, that is sec square. 1 by cos square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So sin square theta into tan square theta, they are root under. So 4 into, now you remove this root under, then it will get tan theta into sin theta. So LHS value is 4 tan sin and RHS value is also 4 tan theta into sin theta. So LHS value and RHS values are same. So now we can write m square minus n square is equal to root 4 root under mn proved.